You're on the 50, what? Somebody needs to get in the middle. Knox, Nate, come over here. Come on, Knox, you guys, what are you doing? Jeez. Christian, back up to where Noah is. Christian,
in the middle. Nate,
back up.
In the middle.
Wait there.
Well, who's kicking it? We got the pooch kick and we got the big kicker.
Yeah.
Is that big kicker? No, it's the little kid's the big kicker.
You got this, Thomas!
Hey, Logan.
Logan! Scoot back a little bit. Scoot back more.
You got this, Chase!
Scoot back a little bit more. Right there.
Go down.
Why is Nate touching the ball? Yep.
Hey, come here. Beast right, Logan's QB.
Oh, watch out. Let's go, Ryan.
Huh? Yeah, go tell me. Yeah, he got the, yeah. Is Logan okay? Is Logan okay? Is he okay? Is Logan okay? Hold on, is it injury? Is he okay? Okay, Beast right, you the QB. Christian! Hurry up! Hurry up! Hey, come here. Hurry up. Jet sweep fake, keep it.
Hey, good blocking, guys. Keep it up. Good job.
Come on, Dayton. We need that snap, baby. Come on. Beast right, keep. Beast right, keep. Damn it, man. Every time we do it for the shotgun. Huh? Shift it? Well, I went in and called on this. We'll do it on 4th down. Yeah.
Sorry, there's no way you do it.
Yeah.
I told Max it's on the numbers, you run from the numbers. That's open. We're gonna look at a little tiny safety right there.
Go! They need to realize we don't have to run slow just because we're behind our backs.
And they're still pushing after the ball. They're just not hitting it.
Yeah, are they? Hey, come here. You okay? Okay, well, come out.
Hey, can you throw?
Come here.
Throw?
It's okay. Hey, Logan, come here.
Logan, come here. Logan.
Caden, go in. Oh, your arm and your ankle? Okay. Come here. No, Caden, go in. Who's in? Caden, go on the line. Hey, you okay? You hurt too? Shit.
Hey, can you do it? Hey, let's go.
All right, hey, listen. We're going to go beast right, go forward a little bit, and then bounce it to the outside, okay?
Take outside, okay? You got a little man, you can beat him. Let's go, Ryan.
Yeah.
He'll fight through it.
Dude cries like in between all his every play, he's getting hit.
He's getting hit after.
Yeah, I know.
He just landed on the kicker.
Yeah.
Right in his butt.
If it comes out like that, you put Aiden in, you gotta switch somebody up.
Yeah, that's right. You're right. Yeah.
Same thing. Hey!
Okay, well, it's 4th down now, so if we don't get it.
Yeah, why don't you ever let him shoot?
Why would you throw the ball?
You got this, Cooper.
Defense, let's go. Is he okay?
Keep jumping on him.
Yeah. Go ahead, come out. Come out.
We're putting in safety.
We're gonna put Damien at safety.
Damien, go to safety. Go to safety.
Hey, listen, guys, come here. Hey, listen. Hey, I want everybody on the line. Okay, we're gonna run a 6-2, but everybody's on the line. Okay, make sure everybody's on the line. Make sure Remy, everybody knows they're on the line. Hey, listen, Remy, we're back on the line. Everybody's on the line. Noah, you're on the line too. Let's go.
Am I beside?
Yeah, you're inside, you're beside Isaiah. And let's rush. Noah, Knox, everybody's rushing, go. Everybody's rushing, go. Except for our corners and our safety. Let's go. Who's the right corner? Nate? Is Nate out here? Is Nate? Go.
Damien! Damien!
Hey, who's our corner over here though?
Damien, go this corner!
Who's our corner over here?
Damien, corner!
We got too many.
We got way too many.
Hey!
Caden, out, hurry. That should be enough right there, right?
Why the ball go back there?
1, 2, 3.
Why did the ball go back there?
Oh, quarter's in. Okay.
I asked him if he's good. He said he's fine.
Yeah.
It's just he's tight. He's cramping.
Yeah. Nate, get your man. If there's nobody, get in. All right, there goes. Get him. Find him. Find him. Nate. Go. Go. Get him. Hey, we got to attack, fellas. We got to attack. Good job, Noah.
Let's go, Dayton!
Hey, guys, we're attacking. We're attacking.
Let's go, defense.
Noah, knock the ball out of his hands.
Hey, Noah, at the snap, you got to go. Tell Remy the same thing. You guys got to attack. We're not waiting.
Noah, take a step back.
Hey, Knox, spread out a little bit. Spread out a little bit. There you go, right there. Christian, spread out a little bit. There you go. There you go. Noah, spread out a little bit. You're on the line. You're on the line. Let's go. Go, go. Good job, fellas. Good job. I'm sure he got pushed down. I'm sure he got pushed.
Get up!
Damien! Noah!
Damien, are you okay?
Damien! Come here! Upfield! Run it! Go! Corner! Go! Damien!
Run,
upfield.
Damien!
Run! I'm fixing this. I'm done.
Nate, make sure you're in front of your guy. Okay? If he tries to block you, you got to run.
Let's go!
Let's go. Let's get a tackle.
Ready, be ready.
Be ready.
I'm gonna go in for Nate after.
Hey, Damien. Nate. Nate, why are you out this far? What is Nate doing? He has a...
Bubble! Go! Nate!
Nate, you got to be in front of your guy.
Off the field. Come here. Hey, corner. Pay attention where you're supposed to.
Nate, if your guy is right there, why are you way out here? You got to be in front of your guy.
Someone else is
No, that's not his. No, he's not blocking him, Nate. You got the last person on the line on this side.
Get back there!
4th down, right?
Four down.
That's 4th down. Yeah.
Let's go, defense!
Hey, spread out, Noah. Spread out, spread out. Brayden, you got to back up to the 40. Back up. Brighter. Back up.
Back up.
Right there.
Good. Pull it down. Let's go, defense.
All right. Let's go.
Brandon, move up now.
Braden, move back up. Move back up now. Right there.
Right there. That's your man, number 2.
Go. Damn it. False start? Did they call it? Yeah. Okay. Hey, Knox, you guys come over here.
Go, Jack, over there. Go, defense.
What? We're not attacking. Why are we waiting?
Go, get ready. False start. Let's go. We got lucky. Let's go.
Yeah, same thing, same thing. No, it's 4th down. It's they got the ball. Noah, spread out. Noah.
We're struggling right now. We got
Knox, spread out. Remy. Remy. Remy.
Remy!
You got to spread out. Noah, you're on the line now. You're on the line.
Remy, take
Spread out.
Spread out. 2 steps.
Wider, wider. Let's go. Noah, out wider. Let's go. Out wider. Don't let him push you in. Go get him. Yeah. Good job.
We got 4 minutes to score. That's it, right? That's it.
Okay, let's hey.
Hustle.
I don't know if White can do the freaking shotgun for the jet sweep. Hey, let's just try. Okay, first play then. Hey, you got to throw it far. Okay, shift to Knox. Shift to Knox.
How about 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, get up. Damien. Damien.
Come on, we got it right in our hands.
You guys block.
No, just get on the line. 1 step behind on the right. Noah, on the right. On the line.
On the line.
Nate. Timeout.
Get over here now. Get over here.
Run.
Come on. What are you guys doing? Nate, you're on the line on the left.
Hey, off the field.
Get off the field. If you're crying, get off the
Get off
field. No, I want you on the line of scrimmage. 1 step back, okay? Okay, because it's a pass. We need to make sure you
No, give me Caden.
Caden, go.
Kaden, you're lined up on the line of scrimmage. 1 step back.
1 step behind. Make sure he's lined up. You're not taking on this one. I mean, you're blocking, right?
Actually, you know what? Hey, come here. Switch with Knox. I want you to run this route. Go. You're running deep. Knox, where's Logan normally on this?
And he's running, I guess, on the line.
Just put it on the line. Make sure only 7's on that line.
Still
Go.
line, bro. You're on offense.
Kaden, what are you doing?
No.
Get up there. 1 step back on the right, Kaden. On the right.
The right. Jesus Christ.
Kaden.
The right. No, stop. This is what.
Christian, you got to throw.
This side, little one. Why we threw Logan's on the deep side?
Oh, on that side.
It's
Okay.
supposed to be with the little man.
Come here, hurry up.
No, I know, we missed. You guys got to miss the cue.
Come here,
Logan's supposed to be on
come
that
here,
side.
come here. Same thing. Tell Logan to get on the left, okay? Tell Logan to shift. He's on the left. Logan shift. Christian, you got to throw that ball. Hey, tell Kaden he's blocking on the right.
Tell Noah to go to the right. That dude had a free shot.
Yeah, he had. That's why he couldn't throw it.
Yep.
Somebody line Kaden up. Kaden, go. What are you doing? Logan, line him up.
Noah, the right.
But somebody has to be on the left, though. Remy, get in.
Logan,
Remy,
switch.
Remy, get in.
Go in.
Block, Remy, block. Go. It's a free rush because we're not lined up properly. Noah should stay on the left. He needs to stay on the left.
Caden, off the field.
Noah needs to stay on the left.
Nate, are you ready to go and listen? Let's get out there. Let's go.
Hey,
Hey, scoot up on the line, Nate, okay?
Beast right, Logan's QB. Beast right. Logan's QB. Go. We practice this shit. It's like, damn, man.
Well, he blocked the wrong guy. He blocked
Yeah, what Remy should have. I mean, Noah should have been on the left.
Remy blocked the big guy, and then the tall, skinny one got.
Yeah, it was only. Yeah, it was 2-on-1.
He got his block. He just blocked the wrong guy.
Let's go. Let's go. Fourth down. Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hurry up. Hurry up, Christian. Hurry up. I know you're hurting. I know you're hurting. Come here. Hey, timeout. 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 Timeout.
Time out. Get over here.
You okay? I know they sat on you on that last one on the free rush. But listen, we got one play. That's it. One play. That's it. Okay? Hey, listen. Everybody come here. Listen. Listen. Okay? Listen. No, listen. No. We're going to have one receiver. Logan, you're the only receiver to the left. Everybody else is blocking on the line. 2 steps back. We got 7 people on the line. We got the people on the end are 1 step back. Okay? You got it?
No.
Everybody's lined up on the line. Okay? 2 people back on the right, 2 people back on the left, okay? You got it? Which means if you're on the right side, you're 1 step back. You got it?
You got it, Remy?
Everybody's on the line,
Nice.
but I need 2 people back on each side. 1
You gotta
step back.
protect him for this throw.
Okay?
You two.
Christian, you gotta launch it as far as you can.
1 step back, okay? Hey,
No,
everybody
you
else
can't.
on the line has to be strong, all right?
Okay, let's go.
Isaiah, strong.
Get that
all right?
snap.
Remy, I want Remy and Knox on the outside of that
Hey,
line.
this is our ball game right here. We're
Remy
not
and Knox on the outside of that line. Let's go.
paying attention.
Look. Now they back to do way up.
Let's go.
I don't care though.
I want Logan on this side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Logan, scoot up. Scoot up some more, Logan. There you go, right there.
All right, get up there. Get up there. Noah. Noah, come on
The
the line.
line.
Noah.
Noah.
You guys.
Get ready, get down.
Get the touchdown!
His arm is hurting. His arm is, that's why he don't throw those kind of passes. His arm is hurting. His arm is hurting. Because he don't throw no shit like that. We're on defense now. We're on defense. Line up. Damien, are you going back in?
Yeah?
Is everybody out there on defense that's supposed to be? Because our offense is different. Right or out?
Ryder.
I think we're still missing. Nate, go out.
Outside. David. Corner.
Hey, I think we're still missing somebody. Are we still missing somebody?
No.
Okay.
You're on corner. What are you doing, David? You're on corner. What is so confusing? Damien, go out wider. You're corner.
Christian, you go to the outside. You play the outside. Hey, we gotta be spread out, guys. Logan, move up. You gotta move way up. They're probably just gonna try to waste this time. They ain't throwing the ball. In fact, I don't even know if they even threw it this half. Hey, defensive line, we gotta spread out. Spread out, defensive line. Let's go, team, let's go, spread out. Why are we so close? Knock, spread out.
Landon.
Christian, you're on the line. Christian, we're on the line. You're on the line.
Landon, come here. Hey, why are we getting down and play offense? Stand up and run forward, not down. We're not, or no, freaking.
Hey, ref, do we got any TOs left? One, okay. We'll call it on third down.
Let's go.
Hmm?
If we get the ball back.
Yeah. Lion, we got to spread out. Damien, you should be back.
Damien!
You're over here.
It's in.
Hey, Christian and Christian and Knox, spread out.
Spread out.
Right there, on the line. Noah, you got to spread out. Come on.
You're watching 21, Damien.
Hey, Logan, watch this side. Watch this side, Logan. Go get it! Get it! Get the ball. Damn it, that was ours. Fuck. See, that's because we're not fucking attacking, man. No, not now, Eric. Damn it, and we had the fucking fumble, but we're not attacking. That's the fucking problem right there. We're not attacking. Dude, drop the ball. We're right there. And we're just looking at the ball instead of playing. The fuck, man? Dead balls, and they're just... Damn it, man. When there's live balls, we just fucking look. That's why we need to be attacking. We would have been in the backfield.
They're done. Everybody quit. I already lost it. Everybody quit.
Yeah.
The whole team is done. They quit. Have a shot and they quit.
Right there, the ball was on the ground.
No, you can tell the mentality. They already quit in the halftime. We're up in halftime in the first drive. After that, they quit. That's it.
I mean, what else can we do? And they're giving us the ball. They're literally giving us the ball. Even if we don't get it, it's an easy tackle. They done gave me a migraine.
Still got it's for tomorrow.
Where was Logan on that one?
Noah's looking the wrong way.
No, I said, where was Logan on that
Logan,
one?
right next to him?
I was right next to him. Hey, stay out, Knox. What are you doing?
Kicked off is going to be backed up again. Oh, another game. Kick off!
Hey, we're in La La Land again. Hey, what are we doing?
Kick off!
Why are we God, every single play after they score, we're in La La Land. Look, they're all the way over there. We're still on the field. Guys, you guys got to pay attention.
Kick off!
Why after we score, we're still on the field walking around? Okay, but it's okay, Knox. Let's go.
Oh, it's fucking football.
Kick return.
It is football. You're gonna get hit. Hey, the 50.
Remy, you're not on the 50.
Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Jaden, get out there.
Okay. Landon, stay where you're at.
Noah, scoot back.
Noah and Christian, you're 2 in front of Logan. Let's pay attention to where we're at. Knox, what are you doing? Knox! I'm done yelling. I'm done yelling, man. I am done yelling.
Knox!
They got no kind of awareness of where you're at.
Hey, Logan, just go with the ball. Pick it up and go. Don't get down. Get up and go. At this point, just go.
There's nothing to lose, yeah. And look, Nate's way over there. Why? No kind of it's like.
Well, we don't have a field to practice lineup.
I mean, but even now, we've had 4 kickoffs today. Go, Logan, go, go.
Block. Why are we stopping? Not one person just blocked on that play.
Yeah, I was going to say Logan should never go through the middle because ain't nobody blocking for you. Ain't nobody fucking blocking for you.
Hey!
Oh, shit.
Look at your teammate because you didn't block.
Is Logan okay? Where's he at?
No, he's down.
He's still down?
He's up.
Okay.
Run it with Logan. Beast.
No, get Wyatt to snap. Take Wyatt's spot and put Dayton. Wyatt's the center. You line up beside Wyatt on the right and let Dayton run the ball. Beast right.
Let's go. Get
All
over
right, here.
here.
No. I'll keep it on the field. Hey! Come here, hey! Listen, hey! Hey, Wyatt, you're snapping the ball. Okay? Hey, Dayton, you're gonna run it. But look, come here. Come here. When you take that snap, your hand gotta be open like this. Okay? Beast right.
Shotgun?
Beast right.
Shotgun?
No shotgun, no.
Follow your blockers. No, it's under center. Go, Dayton.
Hey, again, let's go, again.
Again. Hustle.
Hustle! Hey, we still got our timeout, right? Oh, we'll call it after this play.
Hurry up, let's go. Run it again.
Go again.
Again. Hurry up, just go line up, Christian, go line up. Go line up. Ref, after this play, we're gonna call a timeout. Last one.
Oh, White got it though.
Timeout.
No, that wasn't White. At least Remy got it. That was Remy.
Yeah. Wyatt didn't.
Logan, last one. If you want to.
Yep, jet sweep.
Logan,
Come here.
time out, come here.
It's a timeout, fellas. If you